day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here again to compare the Colmi P81 with another wearable. It is a popular smartwatch, the Glory Fit smartwatch, also known as the QS08 smartwatch. So we will compare it with this P81 smartwatch, an affordable lightweight smartwatch from Colmi. We will compare the design as well as the features of both wearable. As you can see here, they are both rectangular smartwatches with a lightweight body frame and loaded with health and sports functions. So we are going to check. We'll compare it side by side. So if you have any questions regarding the video comparison of our P81 smartwatch, they call me P81 smartwatch, comparing it with the Glory Fit smartwatch model QS08, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and compare the two smartwatches. Let's see if we do have some details here at the back. So we have here some specs. We have 1.722 inch IPS LCD for our Glory Fit smartwatch, while for our Colmi P81 we have 1.9 inch IPS LCD. Both do have a heart rate monitoring, information reminder or push notifications, as well as Bluetooth call and custom dial. But we do have a much higher resolution here for our Glory Fit smartwatch, having a 320 by 380 pixel resolution, while for our Colmi P81 we do have a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. For the battery, both do have a 300 mAh battery, IP67 waterproof rating for our Glory Fit, while for our Colmi P81 we do have IP68 waterproof rating. Different processor, JL7012 for our Colmi P81, while for our Glory Fit we do have the RK8763E. Okay, so that's it for the basic specs and some of the features of our Glory Fit smartwatch or QS08 and our Colmi P81 smartwatch. In terms of the design, both do have a PC material, but the Glory Fit do have a much elegant look, as you can see here. The button here, power on and off button, is located on the top side of the smartwatch of the body frame, while for the P81 it's on the center side. At the back, we do have the sensor. I think we do have I don't remember, but I think we do have an ECG or a body temperature monitoring here. As you can see, we do have a metal plate. On the other side, they almost have the same thickness here. Both do have a quick release pin, I think 20 millimeter. Okay, again for the design. So which do you think is much better? I think the Glory Fit do have a much better look in terms of design, but both do have almost the same size when it comes to the body frame, as you can see here. Okay, so let's proceed with the UI or the features of both smartwatches. Again, this is the P81 and the Glory Fit or the QS08 smartwatch. On top we have the settings for the different functions, important functions of the wearable. We have here the brightness screen display. We also have here the Bluetooth call, the settings. They almost have the same layout as you can see here. Grid layout. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Both support SMS as well as app notifications. On the left side, we have the menus and features for our P81. For the QS08, the same also. On the right side, it's also menus and features. Or again, this one, it's the main menu and features. And on the right side, we have the Bluetooth phone call. Menus and features. On the right side, we have the Bluetooth phone call, as well as the other cards, as you can see here. Seems like they have the same layout here, the same style. Okay, power on. Again, as you can see here, Bluetooth phone call, activity tracking, heart rate. We have here the sleep monitoring. We have the heart rate, blood oxygen, music player. Okay, they almost have the same sequence. Okay, for the menus and features, let's have it here. Swipe from left to right. We have the Bluetooth phone call here. We have the activity tracking, the status. This is the automatic activity tracking. We have the heart rate, and we have the blood oxygen, blood pressure monitoring. We also have it here, blood pressure and the blood oxygen monitoring. We do have also an exercise mode or exercise records, exercise training. So these are the sports function, which has a more comprehensive list of sports. Let's see. Okay, we do have several sports function here. Add sports, training. Okay, the GloryFit do have a very comprehensive list of sports function also. As you can see, I think it is more than 100 or 50 sports function, if I'm not mistaken. The same with our P81, as you can see here. Okay, so going back, let's see the walking sports, status, training. Going back on the first sports function, we do have a very comprehensive list here. Okay, running. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, start. So we have here the time, the steps, the calories, steps and calories, and the time only. We do have here the heart rate, steps, as well as the distance and graph. So it's much better here for the P81 smartwatch compared with our GloryFit smartwatch here. Stop. Okay, what else? We do have the exercise, the heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, music control function. We don't have a temperature monitoring for our P81, but we do have it here on our GloryFit smartwatch. As you can see, we do have a body temperature monitoring. We also have a breath training, push notifications, voice assistant, more, stopwatch, find phone. We also have here we don't have a calculator, I think. We have a timer, stopwatch, find, and flashlight. Do we have a calculator? No, we don't have it here in our GloryFit, but we do have a heart rate. So more options, I think, for our P81 smartwatch. Okay, QR code. We have here the QR code for the app. Okay, so which do you think is better in terms of offered features? I think the P81 is much better, except that it doesn't have a body temperature monitoring. Both do have a very good list of sports function. Okay, so let's check on the heart rate monitoring of both wearable. Let's see if they have the same results. Okay, let's have it here. Heart rate. So let's check. So we have highs and lows. Both do have a highs and lows and graph for the smartwatch. 72, 74. They almost have the same results here. So it goes up. It goes up also. It goes down. Let's see if this one. Yes, it goes down also. 72, 70. 67, 68. Yes, they almost have the same results here for the heart rate. Very good so far. Just a minor difference, I think. Okay, 65. This one already stopped. We do have here continuous heart rate monitoring. We have 66. Let's see here. 69. Yes, as you can see, they almost have the same result. Let's go with the blood pressure. Where is our blood pressure? Do we have it here? Yes. Blood pressure. Testing. Let's see. We do have here the systolic and diastolic. So which is faster in terms of providing information on the blood pressure monitoring. Both do have a very good heart rate monitoring. We have here 124/78. Still testing for our GloryFit smartwatch. Let's see. Okay, so it's taking time. And we have 113/73. Very different result. Okay, very far. Okay, I guess we cannot really rely on the results of the blood pressure. But both do have a very good heart rate monitoring. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and features of our GloryFit smartwatch. But before we end, let's check on the available watch faces. Can we change it? So long press here for our Callme P81. Let's see if we can change. Okay. So here are the preloaded watch faces. I think the watch faces for the P81 is much better. More premium looking. If you like, just tap on to apply. Okay, again, that's it for the different menus and features of our GloryFit smartwatch, comparing it with the P81 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe, like, and share our channel. Okay, so that's it. Bye.